Oh, come on, focus, you silly thing. There we go. No, there you go. All right. Look at that. That is cool.
But I actually saw a boat on the one.
I'm gonna record it for a little bit. It looks wow.
It's getting quite a lightning storm.
Yeah, it looks really cool. It's really active.
Woo!
That was
That
awesome.
looked like a question mark.
Wow, that is really cool. Florida thunderstorm. That is so cool. I wish we could hear a little bit of it.
What are you seeing there? Because I see quite a bit on the other side there.
Yeah, I'm getting some good video here. It looks pretty cool.
Are you?
Yeah,
It's like watching fireworks.
it is. Look at this cloud. It's really just lighting up. It's amazing.
Okay. Oh yeah.
Look at that.
We'll see.
And it's kind of just, it's like it's just sitting there,
Yeah.
giving us a little show.
One little cloud. Does it zoom in?
I think you can zoom. Oh yeah, look at that. How about that?
Yeah.
It's a little grainy because it's so dark out. Maybe I'm a little too close. How about pan out just a wee bit? There we go. Oh yeah.
Somebody's getting a lightning storm.
Yeah.
My goodness. Oops.
There's some over there too. That's much farther away though. I'm kind of waiting to see if I get a bolt on the outside of the cloud like we had before. Ooh, see that go on and go up? That was cool.
The one that looked like a question mark.
Yeah.
You could probably delete part of it, can't you?
Yeah, I'll be able to.
Yeah. Ooh, I like that one. It hit the bottom.
Yep. I'll probably be able to put it in Lightroom and adjust it. It looks pretty cool.
That's a while. Just one little cloud.
Yeah.
Oops, that was a good one.
Mm-hmm.
Ooh,
Oh,
I
hey,
like
that was cool.
Yeah.
Pretty cool.